G'day! In today's video I'm doing an unboxing on the MSI Gaming Trio White 5070 OC edition. Let's pop this open and see what we get. Actually, first of all, one thing I'm curious, does it mention requirements? No, this is the Gaming Trio OC, but I'm not seeing anything mentioning about power requirements. But that very well may have had that. Because my box is too big, and I can't capture it on camera, I'll open it the reverse way. What do we have? Essentially paid for advertising. One graphics card stand. We have the 24 pin or 12 volt high power adapter from 2/8 to 12 volt high power. One fairly neat graphics card. Down here for a second. Quick install manual. Now I can remove this box out of my way. Yeah. We have a fairly large card. It's definitely a trio of fans. And on here, take that off, take that off. Oh, this one is missing. Okay, I'm not going to dig for that. Let's get this peel going. As I'm seeing a really cool effect of clear plastic over actually the frosted plastic that's here. There we go. Frosted plastic. I'm curious if this will light up or if these will light up. Same with down here. I'm not too sure, honestly. We have the card ending here, and the graphics card ending way back here. Just shows you how much cooling these cards can these chips require. On the back here, it is kind of a satin kind of appearance. Satin plastic. Rightio. Oop, this comes off too. What else do we have in the way of output? Not much going on up here. 3 display ports and a HDMI. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Don't mind it at all. The high power over here. Interesting. So one very, very long card. Even looking down here, the cooler is longer than the PCB. I find that insane. See here? Sections on by eye, this section looks longer. Well, I'd say so, because right now there's one fan here, and we're not quite at the halfway point with the rest of the card. Wow, that's insane. Okay, well, that'll do for today, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Here we go. And here we go with it installed. One thing you will have to be aware of, this previously had a water cooler in it, and there was no room for the cooler between the card and the case. So this is a very large card that does take up a lot of room. And as predicted, these sections here do light up. You can see it lighting up down there. I don't think there's a BIOS switch on this particular one. Not that I came across one. But right now those fans aren't spinning because it's not doing much at all. Currently installing the driver. But the biggest thing was, having enough room in the case. Do make sure you have a large enough case for it to go in.